We're going to continue to develop our core strength now with some knees to elbow. The reps for this, the rep ranges are going to be very small actually. Maybe 3 reps per side, 2 to 3 sets. Now there's a lot going on in this particular practice. A lot of shoulder mobility, some flexibility for your hamstring too, as well as all that really intense core development. Now there are 3 variations to this, but the variations are very, very, very subtle. And the prerequisites for the different levels of practice are really dependent on your core strength, yes, but also the flexibility within your hamstrings and in your glutes too. So let's get into it, and I'll go through the variations as we go along. Okay, right, so first of all, I know, high plank. So you're probably sick of that already. Shoulder protraction, posterior pelvic tilt. Now, as I push back, you can see I'm going to be really active through the shoulders. I'm going to breathe in, and as I breathe out, I'm going to drive the knee forwards and bring it to the elbow. Please take note that even at the front end here, I still have my shoulder protraction on. I'm not hanging loose here in the shoulder girdle. I'm still high up, yeah? 2, breathe in, breathe out. 3, trade off, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breathe in, breathe out. Now, if I wanted to make this a little bit harder, all I have to do is, I say "oh," but it is difficult the higher we go up the arm. Okay, and as I said, it's not necessarily the strength. Sometimes it's about the mobility and the flexibility to actually acquire the skill. Okay, so as I breathe in and breathe out, I've come from here, maybe up to the tricep. If I want to activate deeper into the core, I go right up into the armpit, come higher up onto that back toe, and then back again. Breathe in, breathe out, all the while still having that shoulder protraction on. I want to take that a little bit further. I can bring the body forward a little bit more. So there you have it. Lots of variety there actually, even though the variations, as I said before, are very, very subtle. Take your time with this one. Do not rush it. And try and bring your breath in line with the movement. As I say, breathing in as the leg goes back and breathing out as it comes forwards. Remember, you can either be elbow, tricep, or right up into the armpit. Happy practice.